guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve my voluminous hair. But before I get started with this look, I want to thank you guys so much for all the love on my last two videos. I loved all the feedback you guys gave me, and this hair tutorial was highly requested, so I really hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so this is what my hair looks like naturally fresh out of the shower. I did towel dry it, so it is very frizzy right now. I don't normally leave it like this. I hate letting it air dry because it gets so frizzy and then it's really hard to manage. The first thing I'm going to do is blow dry it and then I will straighten it. So let's get started. The first thing I do before I apply any heat to my hair is I brush it very thoroughly. As you can see, my hair is like super frizzy and knotty, so I'm going to go ahead and brush this mop before we do anything. So the way I like to do it is I part my hair in sections and I slowly and carefully, without, pulling my hair too hard, because my hair does tend to fall out if I'm rough with it. So I do that first. So let's go ahead and brush this hair. Then while I'm brushing my hair, I like to start at the bottom and make my way to the top. This really helps me not break my hair, because sometimes if you start up here and it's really knotty and you pull it, you'll just rip all your hair out. So it's really good to start at the bottom. My hair is so thick that I don't even need a clip to hold it up. I just wrap it. Okay, now once I'm done brushing out all the sections, I just brush through one more time, make sure there are no knots. So once I'm done brushing this frizzy mop I call my hair, I go ahead and grab my blow dryer and make sure that my hair is fully dry before I go ahead and flat iron it. So I'm gonna grab my blow dryer and blow dry this hair just really quickly. I don't do it professionally at all. I just do it very fast just to make sure that it is really dry before I flat iron it. This is the blow dryer I use. I don't think it really matters. Like I said, I'm not doing it professionally. It's just so that it's super dry before I flat iron it. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay guys, so this is what my hair looks like after I've blow dried it. Again, like I said, I don't blow dry it professionally, it's just so it can be dry. So the next thing I do before I go ahead and flat iron my hair is I brush it one last time to make sure that I didn't create any further knots when I was blow drying. So let's go ahead and do that. Fully dry, if I see that it's looking a little dry or it's lacking shine, I'll add a little bit of product just to the tips. I never apply anything to the roots because this will leave your hair so greasy, so it's better just to add a little bit and only at the ends. Alright guys, so the product that I use when my hair is lacking some shine is this Cera Otra Laciadora. It is from Dominican Republic, but I'll try to find it and link it below. I love this product, guys. Oh, wait. Can I say that? whatever. I love this product. It's great. It always leaves my hair super shiny. And when I do leave my hair naturally, which is almost never, it really makes my curls look flawless. So highly recommend. Okay, let's go ahead and apply a little bit. Like I said, you don't want to apply a lot, so I'm literally just going to apply like a dot, like 2 dots, almost nothing. Make sure that you only get the ends. Only get the ends. And then if you know that there's certain sections of your hair that tend to look dry or lack shine, I would just add a little bit. For me, that's just the front here. And then any residue left on your hands, I would just spread it throughout your hair. So before I go ahead and get started with the flat iron, I'm gonna go ahead and use a clip this time and put my hair up and part it in sections. I don't like to grab too much hair at once because then it won't straighten that well, so I try to grab a good amount but not too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my brush, brush it again. I actually may even make this a little smaller. And then I'm gonna grab my flat iron. This is the PYT flat iron. I love this product. I like to make sure that the roots get straightened very well, so I go over them just a little bit, and then I head over to the bottom. I don't like my hair to be pinned straight, so what I do is I grab this piece, wrap it around, and pull it down like this. So I'll show you guys one more time. And then my flat iron is a round-ended one. You can't really curl your hair with the square ones, so make sure you have one of these. Then I grab the next section, and again I'll take the brush, starting with the roots. I'll make sure that they're super straightened, make my way down. And when I get like towards the middle here, I'll flip my wrist this way, put the hair on the flat iron, wrap it around once, and pull down. Hopefully you can see that. So it's just a light curl, not too much, but it really leaves the hair voluminous, so I really like curling the ends this way. So I'll do it a couple more times so you guys can see it. Again, brush it out. Then I grab my flat iron and make sure that the roots are very, very straightened. And I go ahead, flip my wrist, then wrap the hair around and pull it all the way down. Once I start getting closer to my face, I grab smaller pieces so that the curls are a little tighter. I like the curls at the bottom to be looser so my hair doesn't lose its length. But once I get closer, I like to build upon the other pieces, and it really gives your hair a lot of volume, which looks really nice. So sometimes I'll curl my hair and it won't take. So that usually means that I took too much hair, so I'll just take a smaller piece and try again. this is how I achieve my voluminous hair. I like it to be a little straight at the top and then fall into soft curls at the bottom. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe below.